Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the CosmicByte Nebula Wireless Controller. On the front of the box, we have an image of the controller itself. Over here, we have a few of the salient features, which include a 600 mAh battery, USB-C OTG, turbo mode. It is compatible with all Windows games. Wireless USB receiver is also included. It has vibration effects, up to 8 meters of wireless range and up to 12 hours of gaming time. On the left hand side of the box, we have a few QR codes that lead to the various social media pages and the website of the brand. On the right hand side of the box, we simply have some Nebula Wireless Controller branding and an image of the controller. On top, we have a slogan that says switch to God mode, and on the bottom the slogan is repeated. On the back of the box, we have a list of the features, so let's go through that quickly. It has dual analog triggers and bumpers, a cable length that would be the charging cable of 1 meter, LED indicators, backlight LED action buttons, 12 numeric buttons including start, select and home, rubberized texture for enhanced grip. For all Windows games, it has X input and direct input facility, special function which is rapid fire, which works with turbo mode, ultra precision cross with 8-way D-pad, eccentric 360-degree analog sticks for more comfort, 600 mAh lithium polymer battery that lasts up to 12 hours of gaming. Overall, the product takes approximately 2 to 3 hours to charge. Over here we have some of the manufacturing information, and over here we have the importing information. Right in the middle we have the customer care details. To the right hand side we have an illustration of the product. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you understand the various buttons, functions and features of the controller and help you get started off with using it. We also have a compact disc which has some of the drivers that you can use and install, but we do not think that you will be needing this since most of these devices have plug and play functionality. Here we have the charging cable. From the box, we already know that it's approximately 1 meter long and it has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. Here we have the connecting mechanisms, that is the USB receiver, and it's quite nicely designed, and we have the OTG as well. Basically, this is used for some of the laptops that do not have a full-sized USB type A interface or port. So in those cases, you can use this OTG adapter and still use this controller. Coming now to the controller itself, we can see that it has a matte rubberized finish that is prevalent on the top, except over here, which is a glossy black finish. Overall, it has a gray, black and green color theme going for it. As mentioned earlier, most of the top is gray. Here we have some glossy black. On the back we have some matte black and the buttons are black as well. We have some green highlighting over here and underneath the joysticks, and even the turbo button is finished in green. While we are on the subject of the buttons, let's start from the top. The L1, R1 and L2, R2 buttons are situated here, and the triggers have a nice springy feel to them, and the buttons are nice and tactile as well. On the right hand side we have the AB and XY buttons that fall nicely around your thumb, and even the joystick is nice and comfortable to hold. Right in the middle we have the home button, start button, select button and turbo button. For the left hand we have the left joystick and the D-pad. All of it fits extremely comfortably. On the back we have some CosmicByte branding along with the serial number, and lastly on top we have the micro USB charging port. So let's get started and connect this device to a computer. For the purposes of this video and for the sake of convenience, we will be using a laptop. In this case, the laptop does have a full-sized USB type A interface. All we need to do is connect it. Once the wireless receiver has been connected to the computer, we need to make sure to switch the device on from the on-off switch on the back. As you can see, the lights on the controller have lit up, A, B and XY are clearly visible, and we also have a little light passing through under the CosmicByte branding. Now we can use this controller to play our favorite games. So this was the unboxing of the CosmicByte Nebula Wireless Controller. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.